Over the last couple of weeks, a number of certification listings had revealed that Motorola is gearing up to launch a number of new smartphones. Now, new renders have showcased the design of one of these upcoming handsets, namely the Moto E32. The renders was shared by Bestapedia in collaboration with the known tipster Sudhanshu. For those unaware, the Moto E32 had made an appearance on various certification websites like FCC, EEC, Wi-Fi Alliance, and NBTC, along with other Motorola smartphones. Now, the new report has shared high-resolution renders that clearly showcase the complete design of the Moto E32. On the front, we can see that the handset sports a 6.6-inch flat display that has rounded corners. This screen even has a center-line punch hole cut out for the selfie shooter. The bezels are minimal, but there is a noticeable chin at the bottom. On the other hand, the rear houses a triple camera setup that is vertically stacked on the rectangular module. This also includes other necessary sensors like LED flash. On the bottom, we can observe a USB Type-C port for charging along with the usual speaker grill and microphone. But there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. Meanwhile, the top also comes with a secondary microphone for noise cancellation, with the volume rockers and power button being housed on the right side. Unfortunately, the report did not reveal any other details apart from the renders. However, there are some rumored specifications. It might come with a MediaTek Helio G85 SoC that may be paired with 4 or 6 gigs of RAM and 64 or 128 gigs of internal storage. Keep in mind that this is still an unconfirmed report, so take it with a pinch of salt. Thanks to everyone who has watched the videos so far. All the blessings of the Lord, have a good day, and see you soon.